What's up, guys? We are in on FFIE today. We missed a huge run. It is still looking very bullish though, above that 45-day moving average. As you can see here, consolidated right on those lines, dipped below, hit that 721 mark, and then started slowly going up, crossed over once, got rejected, and then crossed over a second time using the EMA as a support. It then crossed over that $200 or 200-day moving average, pushed up, and if you would have had your entry here at about $8.03, your stop loss at like 7.95, you could have seen a very nice profit this morning, up to $10.99. Even if you sold at $10.87, you could have seen a 34% profit. Even holding right now, you'd still be up 30%. That's $300 on a $1,000 investment. So really cool. I did buy the pullback as it did pull back here. I didn't get a really good entry as I should have got down here, maybe 977, 980, 990. But I have 16 shares at 1022. It's getting a little choppy here at this level, finding some resistance at that 1070 mark. So we'll see if this breaks through, possibly goes even higher. But overall, very strong couple of days. If you would have bought in this buy area like we talked about a couple days ago in one of our videos, or was it a live stream in one of our live streams? I believe it was on Thursday or Wednesday. You could have got in at $3.30 and went up to $10.80 again, that mark there, for a 200% profit. So you would have made actually $2,000 on your $1,000 investment. Now this did have a reverse stock split recently. That's why it is back down at these levels. It is very bearish as it does tend to sell off for a very long time. As you can see here, it's been selling off since May, all the way down to these levels. Every once in a while, giving us an opportunity. Like you see, I traded it in this area to expand. So from 746 up to $27, that was a 238% profit. Even this smaller one here from 16 to 22 was a 36% profit. Then you have this smaller one here as well, catching that right up, 41% profit. And now today we have this one over the last 3 days or so, up over 300% profit. So very great play. I do believe it may still run a little bit. It could potentially be overbought at this point, but it's still well above that EMA line. No sign of it pulling back anytime soon. These micro pullbacks did not pass that 45-day moving average, except for this one recently where it had a nice breakout. It faked the bears, thinking it was going to be a nice area to start shorting, trapped them out, and now it started going up. So we're fighting this new level here on the 5-minute, still well above that 45-day moving average, but having trouble getting anywhere at this point, up about 3.5%, missing over 290% extra profit on top of my little 3% profit here. So yeah, quick little recap. Let's see what this does as time goes on. Don't forget, we do go live every morning at market open, so you'll definitely want to check that out if you have time in the morning. All right, looks like it's still extremely bullish here. It's still consolidating, so we're going to either get a break above and break newer highs, or we are going to start selling off. So if you guys want to see that, I will be live with the team in about 10 minutes. We'll be able to go over this more there. If you're watching this after, then just be aware that you can check this video out for the August 23rd. It is a Friday, August 23rd, and you can go back and watch that live stream as I will be recording it. All right, hope you guys make it. Looks like we're making progress to the upside here. Just hit $11. I think that would have been a nice area to sell. Could continue to go up as well. So, all right. Thank you guys and have a great day.